Are you an artist or in graphic design? Occasionally you have a physical drawing that you need to get into the computer as a vector file for loading into a graphics program. With a logic trace system, this process is extremely easy. I just place the pattern on the tracing board and trace it out with the pen stylus using logic trace software. On this particular pattern, I'm doing arcs and curves, where I just digitize points along that curve, and then my software turns that into a nice, great curve, which is exactly the outline that I want. These ears in the top here, I assume those are ears, are arcs. So I get some arcs here. But with Logic Trace System, I can take any design that I have and quickly trace it with the pen stylus and save a vector file on the computer. I can save it as a DXF file. I can save it as a PDF or an SVG. I can load that into any graphic software. I can load it into a CAD program like AutoCAD, Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW. Just trace the pen. The pen's generating a magnetic field that the board picks up, and it turns the points into a file on the computer. I'm almost finished here with the last foot. There it is. Oh, it looks just great. Let's save the file and save it on my computer.